of review. We're going to review our 3 different strategies for multiplication. So we're going to start with the area model because that should be the one that you left off with last year that you practiced the most. So let's take a quick look at how to do the area model, and then we'll move on from there. So area model problem. All right, so I've got some multiplication problem. We're going to set it up for area model, and it doesn't matter which way that I set up my numbers. Just matters that they're getting broken apart using the expanded form. So the first thing I need to do is make some form of rectangle, because if we're doing area, you need to find the area of a rectangle or square. It's the only thing that we know how to do it with. So I normally put the smaller number on the side here. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to do 30 plus 8. Okay, 38. That's the expanded form of 38. On the top then, I'm going to put 200 plus 90 plus 6. There you go. That's 296 right now in expanded form. Everywhere where there's a plus, that's where I'm going to divide my box up. So I'm going to go ahead and divide it up that way, but also this way as well. Now, I'm going to find the individual areas of all of these little rectangles. So this one has a length of 30 and a width of 200. So when I multiply those, 3 times 2 is 6, and I see 1, 2, 3 zeros, which makes sense because when we're multiplying these together, okay, if it was just 3 times 200, that would be 600, and then I've got to times another 10 to get it up to 30. Okay, this next one, 3 times 9 is 27, and I'm counting 2 zeros, so that's my quick shortcut. 3 times 6 is 18, and there's only 1 0 between them, so 180. So I've already figured out the area of all 3 of these rectangles. Now I'm going to figure out the area of these 3 rectangles. So again, I'm going to use the numbers 200, 90, and 6 because that's the width of each of these boxes. But now this length, this side unit here, is only 8, not 30. So I'm going to do 8 times the 200 because this is 200 long. 8 times 200, that'd be 16, 2 zeros, 1600. 8 times 9, 72, with the 1 0 is 720, and 6 times 8 is 48. Now that we know the area of each of these small rectangles, we can add all of them together and it will tell us the total area. Okay? The biggest thing about this is just making sure that you're lining up your numbers correct. If you need to, you can break it down into more than one step. But if you're good at lining things up correctly, then it shouldn't really be that big of a problem to be able to write, all right, 6,000, 2,700, 180, 1,600, 720, and 48. There's my numbers. I've written them. I tried to line them all up so that going straight up and down, here's all my ones, just 8. Here, 4 and 2 is 6, plus 8 is 14, so 4 comes down, and I carry my 1. 13, 14, 21, 22, and carry the 2. And now I've got 2, 8, 10, and 11, so I've got 11 right there. So the total would be 11,248, okay? That's our area model. It works using expanded form. It's good for quick mental math and estimates if you're trying to do something to break things down. But it is definitely the longest of all of the methods. I'm not going to lie to you about that and say, oh, this is so much faster. It's probably not. It's probably going to take you a little bit longer. There's a lot more to write down. But they're much smaller steps. So you got to make that decision whether that's what's going to work for you. Okay, practice out 2 of these, and then there's another quick video reminding you how to do partial products and how to do area model. Okay, so I broke each of them apart so you can see the quick videos. All right, good luck with this. If you need help, make sure you're asking.